When you open Android Studio, the welcome screen presents several tabs that help you manage your development environment effectively. The main tabs are Projects, Customize, Plugins, and Learn. Let's start with the Project tab. The Project tab is where you create, open, or manage your Android projects. The New Project button starts a new Android project from scratch or use a predefined template. For example, these are the ready-made templates, or you can select no activity. Also, you can start with Wear OS, television, automotive, but for this course, we are interested in the phone and tablet. Open. You can open an existing project from your computer or version control system, for example, Git. The recent project will be displayed here and access recently opened projects for quick navigation. Get from VCS, clone a project from a version control system, for example, GitHub, GitLab, and others. This tab is the starting point for building or accessing Android projects. Let's move to the Customize tab. The Customize tab allows you to configure Android Studio's appearance and behavior to suit your preferences. For example, you can define the theme for light, dark, light with lighter header, high contrast, Dracula, and others. I prefer using the dark. Also, you can select the IDE font. I'll set it to 10, for example. You can see the size of the font is set it to 10. You can increase it, whatever you want. The third tab is the Plugins. The Plugins tab lets you add or manage plugins to extend Android Studio's functionalities. Here in the marketplace, you can browse, search, and install plugins from the JetBrains plugin repository. For example, you can install the Flutter plugin, the Genymotion, and other plugins. Moreover, you can see the installed plugins. You can view and manage plugins that are already installed. For example, if I want to uninstall this plugin, it's very easy. Back to the marketplace, there are popular plugins, for example, the Kotlin for the Firebase, the Markdown support, and others. The fourth tab is the Learn. The Learn tab provides resources, documentations, and tutorials to help you get started or improve your skills. We have documentations, access the official Android documentations, tutorials, guided tutorials for beginners and advanced users, YouTube, and blog links. But we're not going to use the interactive courses or the help and resources tabs. We are interested in the Projects tab to build our Android applications.